Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how I got my hair sleek, silk, and pressed. So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. Today I used my husband's shampoo because I had ran out of my shampoo, but you just want to make sure that you use a clear and fine shampoo. And I condition it with my Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner to add some moisture back into my hair. Next, I'm going to be using my Organics leave-in conditioner. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for years whenever I want to straighten my hair. I like to use this conditioner because it's really lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down. Next, I'm going to be using my Icy Fantasia Heat Protectant. This heat protectant is kind of thick, so you want to be careful not to use too much, and I actually did pour away too much, as you all can see. So I did remove some from my hand, and then I'm just going to apply my heat protectant to each section as I go. I like to use my blow dryer on medium heat and medium speed to start out with. Then I'm just going to use the tension method to get my hair about 90% dry, and that just makes the comb attachment go through my hair a lot easier. And as you all can see, I was having a hard time with this comb attachment because it did not come with this blow dryer and it was a universal attachment. So yeah, your blow drying process is pretty much the most important part of your flat iron, because if you get your hair straight with the blow dryer, there's going to be less heat that you have to put on your hair with the flat iron, which in turn prevent heat damage. And if I find that my comb attachment can't glide through my hair as easily as I would like it to, I go back with my paddle brush and detangle my hair. Then I proceed to blow dry. Next, I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections, with the back being the first section. Then I'm going to take my fine tooth comb, and I know in one of my last straight hair videos that I had some people comment about not being able to use a fine tooth comb, but again, if you got your hair pretty straight with the blow dryer, then using a fine tooth comb shouldn't be an issue. The flat iron that I'm going to be using is my handy dandy Conair Infinity flat iron. I've been using this flat iron for years and I've never received any heat damage from it. The highest temperature that it goes up to is 395, and hair burns at 451 degrees, and being that I only have to use one pass with this flat iron, I don't feel the need to have to use any other flat iron but this one. And I have used other flat irons in the past which I did receive heat damage from, so I'm pretty much sure that I'm going to be sticking with this flat iron from here on out. I like to focus on my roots first and get my flat iron as close as I can to my roots without burning myself, so just make sure you be careful when trying to press out your roots, because I know that is the most important part when flat ironing your hair, and you want to get them as straight as possible, but you definitely want to be careful. I always use the chase method when flat ironing my hair because I feel like it gets every strand of my hair really straight without having to do multiple passes. And if you do find that the comb gets stuck towards the ends like mine did, just remove the flat iron, remove the comb, and go ahead and detangle the ends and then proceed with the flat iron. And there were some parts in the back where I wasn't able to get my roots as straight as I wanted them to, so I did go back and flat iron my roots, and I only focused on my roots without adding any additional heat to my ends. So in the front, I like to go ahead and section off my edges just to make sure those are straight. Today I'm not going to worry about them being super straight because I do have some postpartum shedding going on, and I'm really not trying to add any additional damage. So in order for me to only have to do one pass through my hair, I pass the flat iron through my hair kind of slow, but you don't want to pass it too slow because leaving too much heat on your hair for too long, that will definitely cause heat damage. Here I'm just showing you how thick my sections are, and I don't make them too big because you want to be able to get to your roots as close as possible, but I also don't make them too small because I'm not trying to sit here all day. Here I'm just showing you guys how straight the flat iron gets my hair, and I know I need a trim, so stay tuned for that video. So to add a little curl to the ends of my hair, I'm just going to take my hot curlers, and I picked this hot curlers up from Walmart, and it works really good for what I use it for. So I'm just going to take big sections of my hair and curl the ends. And because I only use one pass with a flat iron, I'm really not worried about adding any additional heat to my hair and causing damage.